Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Today is the Thanksgiving day. We got turkey and mashed potato and just Thanksgiving food from Costco. I'll show you what we got. We got this turkey and vegetable and mashed potato set from Costco and it cost $25.24. I think which is really great deal. You can see this portion is huge. If you compare with my hand, it's just very huge. Our household is just two, but I think even we can share it with four members of family. We also got the pumpkin pie. We just had some part of the pumpkin pie, but this size was really huge, and the price is only $5.99. So this is total about $32, including tax and all this calculation. Then it's under $35. Package. See this veggie package. Turkey gravy and turkey pack. Okay, now let's remove this. Now let's open the turkey. Turkey and the stuffing underneath. Also open this mashed potato and veggies. Finally, it's preheated. I'm gonna put this turkey to the oven now. Put it in the middle. The oven. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now. By the way, time goes faster with music on. Just say, play music.
Okay, time's up. I'm gonna take out the turkey now. And then reduce the temperature to 37.5. Oil on the top of the turkey. You need to cook for about an hour. So now 1 hour passed, and let's see how turkey looks like. Pretty decent, maybe. Now then let's put the oil to the veggies. Okay, time's up. Now let's take out the turkey. Wow! Woohoo! 맛있겠다. There you go. There you go. This is ready. I'm gonna turn up the light.
다 했어? 맛있어?
안 먹어봤어. 소리 안 내. 나. 어때? 왜? Or is it dry? Hard to chew? 맛있다. So this is gonna be our last turkey meal.
What? This turkey is dry.
No, there are many reasons, but we're not gonna have turkey anymore.
Why not?
Because we have turkey enemy. Oh, 뻑뻑해.
We could just have lamb.
Yeah, I think we will have next time.
Next time we're gonna have Jack in the Box.
I don't want to have hamburger in this special occasion. 아니었나?
That's the cranberry, isn't it?
Oh yeah. 크랜베리 맛있다. 왜? This is rock. Stuffing 맛있다.
I wish they could have everything else in the kit except for the turkey. And then you could just get the Costco chicken. Perfect.
그건 맛있겠다. Yeah. Costco chicken, rotisserie chicken, always good. 그게 perfect meal이었겠다.
Or just steak.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Pero all these side dishes are so good.
Yeah. Ham is another thing that a lot of people eat.
Oh really? I like ham more. So instead of turkey, people eat ham.
It's a workout.
Did I cook it too long?
It's just turkey. It's hard to cook. When people cook turkey, they'll baste it constantly.
What?
Have a lot of baste it, so have a lot of liquids. Still turns out dry.
But you like minced turkey.
If this was just ground turkey, it would have been.
그냥 ground turkey 먹었어야 됐네.
The gravy and potatoes are good. I think if you cut this into little pieces and then put it into all your sides, it'll be a lot better.
Small pieces.
And then put it in your potato and like everything else. Everything else is so good.
Don't try. 뭐랑 먹었어? You have with mashed potato? We have more turkey.
I'll take the potato so you can take the turkey.
I like their stuffing too.
Better than the other one?
Yeah. The other one had weird herb taste. But this one is not.
It tastes the same to me.
No.
You like meat, right? I'll take the sides, you can take the meat.
I like meat, but except turkey.
One of us wanted turkey today.
Oh, 너무 질겨.
Jaw?
Jaw is hurting.
Well, mine is hurting.
Painful 먹방.
It's a workout. We're gonna have to try to cut it like as thin as possible or something. Or just blend it.
Yeah.
Turkey shake. Or maybe we could use it in a soup or something. Turkey noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
I don't know what to do with the turkey. Everything else, I know what to do. Just eat it. About the turkey, I'll take this for you. You can.
I don't think I can eat this.
Oh, I'll finish your sides for you so you can, tackle the turkey.
Oh,
We have to finish the turkey somehow. Oh, we don't have that much turkey.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, most of them are.
What's
Bone.
this stuffing, which I like? How would you rate the turkey?
3. But sides are 5. Except beans. Beans also 3.
What's wrong with the beans?
So 3, 5, 5, 3. What about you?
Turkey, I'll give a 5 out of 10.
Actually, that's lower than mine. What about their sides?
8.
진짜? Mashed potato, beans, stuffing 8. Or you wanna change the rating system to 10?
Oh no. Turkey now 2. Sides in 4.
그렇게 맛이 없어?
Just a turkey.